Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Dario here with another options and play video update. Fed Day has come and almost gone. It's not quite over yet. However, we have got the FOMC statement, Powell's held the press conference. Indices are still cruising higher. And while momentum remains strong, I definitely feel like we're at a point where it's probably smarter to be a little bit more active, locking things in, and just maybe taking some risk down. All right. This is something we spoke about on Monday when we got together for our option session, and the whole idea basically revolves around the fact that we're through a good portion of earnings season, and for the most part, they've been pretty mixed. All right, some of the biggest names that have reported that mattered the most have been mixed, right? I mean, if you look at just the tech titans, mixed. About 50% were solid, 50% were nothing special, right? So usually earnings, they fuel movement, right? And if earnings are great, movement continues. If earnings are not so great, well, people might be a little bit more reluctant to chase things higher, right? Also, the idea of being extended, right? I talked about this yesterday, like getting extended from the 8 EMA. Like the further we extend from the 8 EMA, the more likely it is that we're due for a pause or a pullback, right? The Qs are starting to get extended from the 8 EMA, and as we accelerate to the upside, that means that we're probably nearing a point where we're starting to run out of some steam, right? We need to pause, we need to digest, right? Also, and this kind of applies to the SPY, though it's not, the SPY isn't really near the top of its trend, but you can see over the last 12 months that the Qs have been in a relatively well-defined uptrend, right? There have been some instances like in January and February where it looked like we were going to extend through it, but eventually, every single time we've failed, right? Even back in August and September when it looked like we were really going to start to melt up, guess what? We paused and we failed, right? So as we near the top, it doesn't mean we're going to immediately reverse, right? However, it does mean after a great run, the Qs are up 8 sessions in a row and up 10% in a little over 3 weeks. It means that it's smarter to now start to be a little bit more aggressive, like locking some stuff in, right? Taking down risk a bit. If we get a pause, if we get a little bit of a pullback, things reset, then maybe we can start to get more aggressive again and reload and start to focus on some new setups. But right now, as things extend and we got some signs starting to point to maybe a near term point of exhaustion, right? Got to be smart. That's what it comes down to, trade management, right? So know when to ride and know when to take some chips off the table. And I think we're getting closer to the latter. All right. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about swing trading, or I mean, I do talk about technicals a lot, and we spent some time going over that. So if you want more information on those, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night. Best of luck if you're playing any earnings. Stay well, and I will talk to you tomorrow.